Alright, got my unboxing here of what should be my tactical vest. This is the 5.11 OD green 2XL plus, because I'm a very large man, but I still love playing Airsoft, so I had to get a really big vest. And I'm hoping this one will fit. If not, well, of course I'll be disappointed, but I'm sure it'll do great. That's my phone. Let's see. Ordered this from Evike because they're the only ones that have it so far. So what do we got? Shipping information. I also bought a few condor items also with it. This is supposed to be the small, cheap little. It's a really cheap pistol holster. You just kind of hold your pistol so it hangs there. So that's, you know, it's nice. And then I ordered 2 of these double mag pouches, because, you know, you're always going to need spots to hold mags. So there's the second one right there. So those will be awesome when I molly them in there. And then the whole vest. Alright, that is big. I hope that looks like it'll fit. Got the 2XL plus. It says it right there. You can probably barely see it. Alright, open it from the side. Alright, wow, yeah, this is actually really big. I think it'll fit me really fine. See it? There's the vest. Looks nice. So the OD green. A bunch of Velcro, so you can put patches on there or whatever you want. Lots of molly. And of course the mag pouches, probably only open one. Let's see back here. So there's the big mag pouches. And also button or Velcro. Wow, that's a lot of Velcro. So we have to hold 2 AK mags or multiple M4 mags. Looks really nice. And then the little sling. Holster just doesn't look like a holster, so that messes with me. But it was cheap, and it looks like it'll do no problem in serving its purpose. Put it kind of out of the bag. So yeah. Well, that doesn't come off easily, so you're gonna have to actually unloop that. Well, that's kind of cool, actually. I think it'll be really great. Well, this is Bear Growl Airsofting, signing off.